everybody. I wasn't feeling too good today, so I did run to Dollar Tree and grab a few items because I wanted to do at least one DIY project today, even though I don't feel too good, for my new house. So I decided to make some DIY wall sconce to go in my bedroom. And so I got two of these little napkin holders from Dollar Tree. Y'all gotta excuse my nails. I had my nails removed yesterday because I had one that was broke and one that was broke. Well, two that was broke, and I didn't even let them put any polish, nothing, no clear coat, no nothing. Just remove the nails, okay? So they looking rough now. Please excuse them. Well, anyway, I got two of these napkin holders. I got a pack of straws, 100 straws, that I'm going to be using for this project. I have my glue gun. I have a small little paint roller set that I got from Dollar Tree as well. And the only thing that I didn't get from Dollar Tree is a pack of these. It comes with 6 lights. I think it's 6 of them. I got these from Temu, okay? And they have a remote that goes with them. They are like the push lights, but they also have remote. So these are what I'm going to use. I'm only going to use 4 for this project. But and then I'll find something else to do with the other 2 in my room later on. I'm gonna make this. I'm gonna hang it up in here, even though I'm not in the new house yet, just so y'all can see what it looked like. And yeah. So I saw something similar to this on YouTube, but not exactly. So this will be my own project that I'm making from scratch that I came up with, because they didn't use the napkin holders. They used something else. I'm using napkin holders. The way it's gonna be is like this. I'm gonna have the straws going around, and then I'm gonna paint them. And I'll put a light on the top and a light on the bottom. And then, like I said, it's remote controlled as well. So hopefully, I can finish this project in a timely manner. I'll take pictures as I go, and then I'll do voiceover, because I am not feeling too good, so I don't want to sit here and just try to record the whole time. But I'll do a voiceover at the end, okay? So I'm gonna pull out all of my items here, and I did get some of these. These aren't what I think they're like the command strips or whatever, but not quite. But you know, this is what I found at my Dollar Tree that I'm just gonna have. They may or may not work, but we'll see. Okay, so that's what we're doing. I'm gonna plug up my hot glue gun, and I'm gonna get started. So I'm a little bit over halfway. I just want y'all to see what it's looking like. This is how it should look at this point. I just got a little bit more to go. All right, y'all, so I have put all the straws on there. I don't know if I want to attach, like, to put a little bit of glue on the top parts, because of the fact that these are the straws that you can stretch, and I stretched them all out just to make sure that they're all kind of like right there together as they should be. Maybe I'll put a little bit of glue on the back side of it and make sure that they're all, you know, together real quick. Okay, you guys, so I have done the second one, but I ran out of straws, y'all. I had a pack of 100, so I'm waiting on somebody to bring me another pack, and then I will continue this project. Well, I'm still taking my little break while I wait for some more straws and another napkin holder, because I decided to go ahead and make 3 of them so I can use my other lights, because I know point of having 2 lights that goes to that same remote that ain't gonna be being used or whatever. So once they get here, I'm gonna go ahead and hurry up and put straws on on the other one, and then I'm gonna be doing my little painting. I'm gonna paint these the same color as my dressers, which is that nice little tan color, which is gonna look really good in the new house, because in the new house I'm gonna have a feature wall, which is gonna be black, which is where my bed is gonna be up against. And these will be the same color as my dressers or whatever, and they're gonna be looking good. Or should I do them in gold? Y'all tell me what y'all think. Gold or, well, y'all ain't gonna be able to tell me. Let me ask my 2 besties what they think. So I'm gonna use this Krylon metallic gold spray to spray on the wall sconces. Y'all, so they are nice and dry. I am going to bring them into the room, add the light fixtures, and then I'm going to take some thumbtacks and put them up on the wall, because I'm just putting them up temporarily so you guys can see what they look like. This is not their final destination. They will be in my bedroom at the new house. So I grabbed this box. I'm gonna cut like the little trim right here off, and I'm gonna put that in there, and that's why I'm gonna put the lights up against. That way it'll be in there, and it'll like create like a little place for it to sit on. You guys, and this is the finished product. I'm gonna turn the flash off on my phone, and then I'm gonna turn the lights on. Flash off. I'm gonna use the remote that came with them, and mind you guys, they are not even I just put them up so you guys can see what they look like. These are going to be in the new house, not here. So I'm going to take the remote that came with the lights, and remember I got these lights from Temu, y'all. Wow, that is beautiful. I love it. I love it. I love it. Y'all tell me what y'all thought. Is this a hit or a miss? And oh, and you can adjust, you can set a timer for 30 minutes for the lights to stay on, and you can adjust the light brightness. See, look, see how I dimmed them up? And I can make them brighter. Dim,